Learn to use a keyboard. Chapter Overview. After going through the chapter, you will be able to understand use of a keyboard as an input device, different types of keys on a keyboard, alphabet keys, number keys, function keys, special keys, use of shift key, typing special signs.
If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.
Keyboard. A computer keyboard is an input device used to instruct and type characters into the computer system by pressing buttons or keys. It is the primary device used to type. A keyboard typically contains keys for individual letters, numbers, and special characters, as well as keys for specific function. A computer keyboard looks similar to typewriters, but with some additional keys. Let us have a glance at the difference between old typewriters and modern keyboard. Old typewriter was a mechanical device. Modern keyboard is an electronic device. Old typewriter did not need electricity. Modern keyboard needs electricity to work. It needs to be connected to computer. Old typewriter keys of typewriter were hard. Modern keyboard keys of typewriter are soft. In old typewriters, there were no options to erase or to correct mistakes. In modern keyboard, there are options to erase or correct mistakes such as backspace and delete keys. Old typewriter had fewer keys. Modern keyboard has many more keys as compared to old typewriters, which are very useful such as home, end, arrow, etc. Old typewriter had only one function, that is, to type letters and numbers. Modern keyboard is multifunctional. You could not play games using old typewriters. You can even play many games using modern keyboard. There was no separate number pad on old typewriter. There is a separate number pad on modern keyboard. Old typewriter was only used onto a sheet of paper. Modern keyboard can type on any size of sheet as specified on computer. Discussion time. Discuss in the class what other keys are there on a computer keyboard and how they are useful to us. A keyboard is connected to a computer system using a cable or a wireless connection. Most keyboards have a very similar layout. Do you know? Nowadays, we have wireless keyboards so that we can type from a distant place. Keyboard overview. Below is a closer-up image of a QWERTY computer keyboard. Let us discuss the keys on a keyboard in brief. Different types of the keys on a keyboard are alphabet keys, number keys, function keys, special keys, arrow keys, scroll keys, other useful keys. Now, let us study them in detail. Alphabet keys. A keyboard has 26 alphabet keys. They are used to type words. A computer is a useful machine. It can work very fast and can do many things at a time is the output of the keys used. Number keys. Number keys from 0 to 9 are called number keys. There are two groups of number keys on a keyboard. One is above alphabet keys and the other is the numpad on the right hand side of the keyboard. A number pad resembles a calculator. It is very useful where the numbers are typed frequently, such as big stores, shops, and banks. Let's know more. To use number pad, numlock key is pressed. When numlock key is pressed once, a green light glows and your number pad gets enabled. When you press the same key again, the light gets off and the number pad stops working.
If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.
Special keys. While typing, we require the help of some other keys too. Let's learn about them. Function keys. Function keys are present on the topmost row of the keyboard. F1 to F12 are function keys. These keys are reserved with some inbuilt function and perform specified tasks. Spacebar key. Spacebar key is the longest key on the keyboard. This key is used to insert a space between words. The red color in the given picture indicates the use of spacebar key. Enter key. This large key to the right of the letters is sometimes called the return key. You can press it once and the text cursor will move down to the next line. Press it twice if you want to create a line space between paragraphs. The red color in the output box indicates wherever Enter key is pressed. Backspace key. This key deletes the last letter to the left of the cursor. You can use it to correct any mistakes as you type. Delete key. This key deletes the first letter to the right of the cursor. In the given output box, the blue color indicates the cursor position and the red color indicates the use of delete key. Discussion time. Discuss in the class the difference between backspace and delete keys. Caps lock key. This key is used for typing in capital letters. There is a light on the top of the keyboard to show whether the caps lock is on or not. Shift key. This key is hold down to type capital letters and the symbol on the upper part of a key. For example, the exclamation sign is above 1. To type the top character, the Shift key must be pressed down first and then the required key is pressed together with the Shift key. There are 2 Shift keys on the keyboard. We use Shift key to type capital letters when we don't have to type capital Ks frequently. Wow fact! Caps lock does not give you the upper number key symbols. For these, you need to use the Shift key. Tab key. Tab key enables the cursor to jump a couple of spaces to the right on the screen. Use of Tab key ensures that you have inserted equal spaces between words. In the given picture, red color indicates where Tab key is inserted. Keys. Output. Arrow keys. There are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard. Arrow keys are used to move the position up, down, left and right. Arrow keys are also called cursor keys. Apart from arrow keys, there are some other keys that help you to move the cursor or to scroll the screen up and down. Such keys are called scroll keys. They are page down in the next page of a document. Page up. It displays the previous page of a document. Home. Home key moves the cursor to the beginning of a line or the left-hand corner of the screen. End. It moves the cursor to the end of a line or the right-hand corner of the screen. Other useful keys. Control. CTRL. CTRL key is used in combination with other keys in specific program. There are two control keys on a keyboard. Control plus P enables print command dialog box. Alt. Alternative. Alt key is similar to Control key. It is used together with other keys. Combination of Alt and other specified key performs some special task. There are two Alt keys on a keyboard. Control plus F4 closes the current window. Do you know? We can also select text using Shift and arrow keys.
If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.